Once again, introducing first, fighting out of the red corner, a national team member, 2025 SEA Games silver medalist, and 2025 World Boxing Cup silver medalist from Cebu City, ladies and gentlemen, J. Ryan Barricuatro. And his opponent across the ring, fighting under the blue corner, he is a five-time national champion, proudly representing Negros Oriental, introducing John Wayne Becerra.
In this amateur bout for tonight.
Round number one.
Flyweight division. Este mga boksingero, ito po yung mga manlalaro na to ay naglalaro sa ating national team. Si J. Ryan Barricuatro, ito yung silver medalist sa Philippine team in SEA Games Thailand. Magaling na bata, no, from Cebu City. Si John Wayne Becerra naman, 5 times national team champion. Maraming ibubuga ito. Itong mga dalawang boksingero na ito, parehong magagaling. 1-2-3 combinations from Barricuatro. Yan yung edge niya eh. Nagbibitaw siya ng mga suntok na 1-2-3 combinations. Pero itong si John Wayne naman, being a 5 times national champion, hindi lang ito basta-basta nagpapatalo. And he has been scouted by several boxing promotions to enter the professional arena, pero hindi niya pa kinoconsider as of now. Pang professional boxer din. Barricuatro is trying to connect.
10 seconds. Wala pa tayong mga kamay dyan sa buwangga. And round number one.
Both boxers are playing for the national team in amateur boxing. Ito yung mga nakasama ni Yumir sa SEA Games in Thailand last December. Magagaling na bata. 1-2-3 combinations from Barricuatro. Yan yung style niya eh. Puro patama sa katawan at malapitan. Samantalang si Becerra naman, power punches combination, jab straight. Pero knockout puncher din. Malalakas yung mga suntok ni Barricuatro. Actually, yung nasa Thailand kami, nagpakita talaga ito ng galing. Talagang pumipitik. Kaso sa puntos lang siya natalo doon sa kalaban. Barricuatro and Becerra are being trained by the Games and Amusement Board and the Philippine Olympics Committee. Ito yung mga pambato natin.
10 seconds.
Not in SEA Games only, but pati sa Olympics.
End of the second round.
Between the national team players, J. Ryan Barricuatro and John Wayne Becerra. Barricuatro in red trunks while Becerra in blue. Parehong magagaling itong mga boksingero natin from the national team, Team Philippines. Fighting it out here in Zamboanga City. Yan yung sinasabi kong mga suntok ni Barricuatro. Mga power combinations in the body. Yan siya, magaling. Lumampas yung high-speed punch ni Becerra. Barricuatro ay silver medalist po again from SEA Games Thailand last December. Samantalang si John Wayne Becerra, 5 times national champion. Last 10 seconds on the third and final round between Baricuatro and Visera, mga team ng
And
national
on
team.
the mound, a round of applause for these two warriors. Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of quality amateur boxing, we have a winner by unanimous decision. Your winner, red corner, J. Brian Baricuatro.